Go rush. Hi guys, welcome back to Calorie TV, and today I'm going to be making a smoothie bowl. Now this is something that was requested in the comments of, I don't remember which video. I'm going to try to go through my comments and find out who requested it and give you a shout out, because I told you I would do this and I haven't forgot. And I know it's been a while since you requested it, but hey, I'm making it happen. You're gonna need a knife, a spoon, maybe a couple spoons actually, a cutting board, a bowl, an orange, some shaved or sliced almonds, I have some blackberries, some chia seeds. This is a fresh pineapple that I cut up yesterday. These are organic frozen blueberries. Some coconut water. Yep, some coconut water. Some ice. Some organic unsweetened coconut flakes. And some orange juice. And this is not from concentrate. This is like orange juice and orange juice pulp. Only 2 ingredients. And that's all. Now I will be making a smoothie bowl today. The smoothie is going to be a pineapple blueberry smoothie. I'm going to show you how I make my smoothies. You don't have to make it this way. And what I put on top of the smoothie bowl, you can switch it up. You can put whatever you want on top. This is just what I decided I thought I wanted to use. So just kind of feel free to be free with the smoothie bowls. Don't feel constricted. Don't feel like you have to use the ingredients I use. If you want to get the same taste that I'm going to get, by all means use the ingredients that I use, but know that you don't have to. Also, I don't have it here for some reason. I don't know why it's still in the cabinet. I'm going to be using my actual blender today instead of my NutriBullet. But you can use a NutriBullet, you can use a Ninja, you can use a blender, you can use a hand mixer. Whatever you have to use to get this blended up, you're gonna need some kind of blender. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking your heads off and let's get into this video. take a smoothie, you pour it in the bowl, and you put what you want on top. Like I said, you don't have to make it this big. I'm definitely not gonna be able to eat this whole thing. You know, this is great for breakfast, this is great for a snack, this is great for you wanting something sweet, but you can't have anything sweet. Got a lot of natural sugars, and it's tasty. This is so good, like on a hot summer day. It's kind of hot outside, but it's not like super hot, but it's like so good. Like the almonds, the coconut, the orange, the chia seeds, the blackberries. The lightness from the coconut water. Oh man, I don't even like blueberries, but these blueberries taste very good. But anyways, oh my gosh, color rush, color rush, color rush. Okay, I'm back. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if there's some more videos you want to see. If there's like a smoothie recipe you're like, ooh, I don't know if I want to get the ingredients to try it, but maybe Ree will try it for me and then let me know. Shoot me the recipe. You can either leave it down below in the comments or you can email it to me. My email is always in the description. And yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see. This whole recipe is very vegan friendly, so hey, this is a great, oh my gosh. Yeah, I've had a smoothie bowl before, but I think it was a green smoothie bowl. I really been sleeping on smoothie bowls. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm about to go eat this, y'all, and y'all, hope y'all have a great day, and I'll see y'all in the next video.